US immigration going where? Now they are talking about Prince Harry. This is now destination. There are different destination in different seconds, different minutes. Now currently US media is firing about Harry visa application. US media is highlighting that he wrote wrong information of drugs and he was lying on drugs in his visa application. And media is also highlighting what Trump will do, and Trump will facilitate his deportation or not. Why not? He should be deported, should be deported, should not be deported. Trump has to decide. This is the discussion going on in the main channels of US. It never happened in history of United States, in history of UK, that one UK prince who is living in United States being discussed so much in an open way that he deported, he should be deported and should not be deported. Regarding visa application, I would like to tell there are some differences in the data, because each data is not available to all applicant all the time. It normally routine work, name of the drugs which you are taking or name of the medicines you are taking. Sometime you forgot even the date you visited any country. It's very difficult to trace sometime, and they gave rough idea. Yes, I visited that country. In visa application, technically you have to tell 90 to 100% ratio right. Simple little bit deviation from exact information, some dates deviation might be possible, drugs deviation might be possible. In my analysis, it's not biggest issue, but Trump cracked down on illegal immigrants. All people will come in circle. I think Trump is very right in criminal immigrants deportation, and people of US citizen first time becoming happy. They are smiling. I saw some images of the people whose family members are murdered in the USA by illegal criminal undocumented immigrants, and they are looking very happy. They think that now we are living in secure country, but at the same time Trump will take care of some people who did not do mistake deliberately, some innocent women's children, like case of Harry, because visa application filling is a very technical issue, and some errors even immigration officer compensate. I think Harry case may be exposed because he is a prince of UK, so news becoming viral because of Prince Harry. Things are going on in United States and other immigration world. I will keep telling you. Thank you very much.